Hey everyone, and welcome. If you've ever wanted to make YouTube videos that people just can't click away from, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're basically taking a whole masterclass on script writing and cramming it into a powerful 5-minute guide. Ready? Let's do this. So let me ask you something. What makes a video actually stick in your head? Is it the fancy editing, the creator's awesome personality? Yeah, I mean, those things are important for sure. But the real secret? The foundation of every single great video happens way before anyone hits record. You guessed it, it's the script. And here's the game plan for this little deep dive. We're going to start with why a script is so darn powerful. Then we'll get into how to craft the perfect hook, build a middle that actually delivers value, end with a serious bang, and finally, we'll wrap it all up into a blueprint you can use yourself. Okay, first up, the power of a script. And I really want you to get this. A script is so much more than just a list of words to say. It's the entire architectural plan for your video. Now, check out this definition. We're not talking about a simple transcript here. We're talking about a strategic blueprint. Think about that. It's a tool you're using to guide your viewer on a journey, making sure every single second has a purpose and delivers an impact. And that journey, well, it almost always follows this classic 3-part structure. You start with the hook to grab them. Then you move into the middle, where you give them the good stuff you promised. And you finish with the end, where you get them to actually do something. It's simple, it's powerful, and trust me, it works. All right, let's move on to section 2, crafting the perfect hook. And listen, I can't say this enough. The first few seconds of your video are literally everything. 5 seconds. That's it. In this crazy world of endless content, that's pretty much all the time you have to convince somebody that your video is worth watching. If you blow it here, the rest of your script doesn't even matter because they're already gone. And this just shows the difference so perfectly. On the left, you've got the weak hook. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about... You've heard it a million times. It's slow, it's boring. But now look at the strong hook on the right. Your videos are getting 0 views because you're skipping one crucial step. Whoa, see? That immediately creates urgency, a little mystery. You need to know what that step is. So how do you pull that off? Well, here are 3 solid ways. You can ask a really thought-provoking question. You can promise a specific result, like, by the end of this video, you'll be able to, or my personal favorite, you can start with a surprising or controversial statement that just shatters what they thought they knew. Okay, you did it. They're hooked. Amazing. But that hook, it's a promise. And now we're getting into the middle of the video, which is all about making good on that promise and keeping them watching. I absolutely love this quote. It just frames it perfectly. The middle of your video is not filler. It's not just a place to dump information. It's where you fulfill the promise you made right at the beginning. It's the payoff. So how do we keep people from getting bored? Well, you can tell a story. You can use what are called pattern interrupts, like a sudden change in visuals or your tone of voice, just to kind of reset their brain. And most importantly, you have to constantly, always be answering their silent question. What's in it for me? Make it all about them. And here's a super simple but incredibly powerful trick for structuring your middle part. Before you show someone how to do something, you have to first explain why it matters to them. Give them the motivation first, then give them the instructions. The information will stick so much better. And here we are, the final act, ending with a bang. You know, a weak ending can make an otherwise great video feel like a total waste of time. A strong ending, though, leaves a real impression and tells the viewer what to do next. The secret here is a clear and effective call to action, or CTA. Don't just fade out with a thanks for watching. Tell them exactly what you want them to do next. Ask them to subscribe. Ask a question and tell them to leave a comment. Or point them to another one of your videos. The key is to be direct and make it super easy for them. Okay. Let's bring this all home. This is your complete script writing blueprint. Think of it as a simple cheat sheet you can use for every single video you make from this day forward. This table just lays it all out, doesn't it? For the hook, your goal is to grab attention by answering, why should they even watch this? For the middle, your goal is to deliver value by always answering, what's in it for them? And for the end, your goal is to inspire action by answering, okay, what should they do now? This is it. This is the logic behind every great script. So, as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with this question. Now that you have this blueprint, think about your next video not just as a list of facts, but as a story. What promise are you going to make in that hook? How are you going to deliver the goods? And where are you going to lead your audience in the end? What